Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Asus ROG Phone 6 with a cracked display. And let's get back to gaming by fixing this phone. Let's go. First thing we're gonna do now is to shut the phone down, and we'll start by opening it up from the back. Let's remove this back cover. We'll put some alcohol to soften the glue on the side. We're gonna take our time because the back cover on this one is still intact and we don't want to crack it unintentionally. We have this thin piece of plastic as well. We're gonna slice through it, take our time, move to the other side, just keep holding on to that gap. We are wearing gloves on David's left hand so that whenever he touches some broken glass, he won't injure himself. Safety first, guys. Spray some IPA on that side, and we have the connector for the back cover. We're gonna remove that. I guess that's for some sensors, I'm not sure. Typically you have the fingerprint scanner at the back for some phones. We're gonna detach some covers for the main board. That's the board in the middle, and David is now removing some parts on the daughter board. This is where the SIM card tray is. I'm gonna pull that out. We're gonna pull out some connectors. You can see that this smartphone has two sets of batteries, so it's not a single battery design. So you have the main board. Actually, there's multiple boards in the middle. You have the daughter board and some boards for the cameras up top. And the batteries have a lot of connectors over them, so we have to remove them one by one. And remembering where they go is easy because they just stick around in a straight line, so no need for us to panic. But we don't have to panic because we have David here. He's a professional. We're gonna remove some parts that an average human will never dare to do. We're gonna remove some connectors underneath some boards, and we're gonna lift up the bottom battery at this side, the left side. And we're not gonna remove that completely. We're just gonna put it temporarily on that position. So we're just gonna stick some adhesive paper just to prevent the battery from sticking back into the housing. And at this point, we're gonna remove the display. So the same with the back cover, we're gonna take our time. This one is not gonna be reused, so whenever we crack this some more, there's nothing to worry about. We lifted up the bottom battery because the connector for the display is underneath that battery. So when we remove this display, we need that battery to remain open so that we can pull out the connector for the display, just like what you see here. So it's not perfect. There's some shards of glass remaining on the housing, so we're just gonna clean it up with bare hands, bare fingers. Nothing to worry about. We're just gonna clean it up. Just a quick one. And then we're just gonna put our own liquid adhesive around where the display make contact with the housing. It's enough so that it will provide some level of water resistance. It's not really the same with factory, but this is gonna hold on to the new display like we're gonna install here. I'm gonna slide in the connector for the display that goes through the housing. So we're gonna pull that out on the other side. And then we're gonna focus now on positioning the replacement display. It's gonna be fiddly. And then press it in. We're gonna use the housing as our main guide. Make sure the camera, the front camera, is not contaminated by adhesive. And now we're gonna attach the connector for the display. So that's it, we're halfway done. If you have an Asus ROG Phone 6 that needs a new display and you don't want to do it and you can't repair your own device, or maybe you don't have a repair technician that is willing to undertake this kind of repair, just message us here in Sydney CBD Repair Center. We're gonna provide you with a free diagnostics. We'll see if we have parts for your ROG Phone 6 or your iPhones or Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And you can also visit us. If you can't visit us though, you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll receive it. Give it a try fixing it here in the shop, and then once it's fixed, we're gonna send it back to you. We're just gonna reverse everything that we have done. Just gonna be fast forwarding the video. It took a while. The ROG Phone 6 is more complicated than your standard smartphone screen replacement. It leans towards on the more complicated side because of its design and assembly structure. As you can see here, David's just inspecting the situation up front. We're gonna test it finally, and thankfully it's booting up. We're just gonna clean off some residue from the adhesive. We're gonna install the back cover. We're gonna secure that connector, and we're gonna close up the device. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. If you are trying to learn how to fix an ROG Phone 6, maybe this video can help you out a bit. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, we'll see you again. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.